Okay, here's question 24. Again, this is one that you people who are aiming for an A or A star need to make sure you get. What I'll do is I'll start off saying let x equal 0.28188181. Now, when I read the question, it says express the recurring decimal, and that's what this is, 0.818181, and it carries on forever and ever and ever and ever. And they want us to express that as a fraction in its simplest form. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to try to look at this and simplify it, or try to rearrange it in a clever way. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to times, because they're just two numbers repeating, because it's 818181, because it's two numbers that are repeating, I'm going to times it by 100. I'm going to times everything there by 100. If there were three numbers repeating, I'd be timesing it by 1,000. If there was one number repeating, I'd be timesing it by 10. So that's why I'm timesing by 100. It's one with two zeros because there are two numbers repeating. So I'm going to times it all by 100. If I times x by 100, I'll get 100x. If I times this by 100, I'm going to get 28.1 28181818, and so on. Now, I don't know if you've noticed what's happened. What I've done is I've created another number which actually has the decimal places, so that's the tenths, but the hundreds, the thousands, and so on are all the same. So if I call this 1 and 2, if I did 1 take away 2, so I'm going upwards, 100x take away x is going to be 99x. 28.181881 take away 0.281881. Let's think about this. 28 take away 0 is 28. It should have started the other way. All of these are going to cancel out to make 0, and then 1 take away 2 cannot, so I just have to borrow 1 from that to make that 7. I'll scrub this out. And that's 11. 11 take away 2 is 9. 27 take away 0 is 27. And so it's going to be 27.9 I've got so far. Now 27.9, I want to write this as a fraction. So I'm going to divide by 99. I'll get 27.9 over 99. Now, that's not an ideal fraction, but to get rid of the decimal point from the numerator, I'm going to times it by 10, so I need to times the denominator by 10. 27 times 9 times 10 is going to be 279, and 990 at the bottom. So now that looks like a fraction. What they've actually said is write the fraction in its simplest form. So can I simplify that? Looking at both of those, I could tell that 3 could go into both of those. In fact, looking at them closely, I could tell that 9 could go into both of those. So I could divide the top and the bottom by 9. 9 into 27 is 3. 9 into 9 into 27 is 3. 9 into 9 is 1. 9 into 9 is 1, 9 into 9 is 1, and 9 into 0 is 0. So that fraction, or that decimal, 0.281 with the 8 and the 1 recurring, as a fraction in its simplest form is 31 over 110. Alright, as I said, this is one that those of you who are working towards an A star should be able to get spot on. Right? Rewind this, have a look at it a couple of times, and make sure you're pretty spot on with it.